Welcome back, viewers. In today's video, we are going to discuss about what is Ubuntu Pro. So Ubuntu Pro is a subscription service wherein the corporate users as well as the Ubuntu say free users of Ubuntu can also subscribe. So what you have to do is you have to go to the website ubuntu.com. You have to first register yourself as a Ubuntu user. You might be using Ubuntu for free, but this Ubuntu Pro service is also available to you. And you might be a corporate user of the Ubuntu Enterprise versions. So that also those kind of customers also are eligible for the Ubuntu Pro subscription. So first create the user, and from the dashboard you can do the subscription of Ubuntu Pro. So they will provide you with a key. So that key has to be activated on your system. So I had done the registration of my username and created my profile on the ubuntu.com. Then the Ubuntu Pro subscription key was generated, and I just inserted the key on my system. So this is my system where I record the videos. So here you can see you have to open the software and updates, and you have to go to the Ubuntu Pro section, and here you can see the Ubuntu Pro support is enabled, and also you can disable it. And this Ubuntu Pro subscription is only available for the LTS version. So if you are right now on the LTS version and later on after the activation of subscription, if you go and change over to the rolling release, then the Ubuntu Pro will not work. So Ubuntu Pro subscription consists of three parts. First is the ESM infra. So ESM infra will provide security updates for over 2300 Ubuntu main packages until year 2032. Then it consists of ESM apps. So this ESM apps provide security updates for over 23,000 Ubuntu Universe packages until the year 2032. Then there is a provision of the kernel live patch, which keeps your system secure by applying the security updates that don't require a restart. And you can enable the show live patch settings in the top bar. You can see here the live patch settings. And further, you can also do the compliance and hardening of your system. So you can enable the FIPS algorithm. So FIPS 140-2. So what is FIPS? In later video I will show you. So by enabling this, your system gets hardened. You can see the FIPS documentation here. There is a link. You can open and check it out. I will do a video separately later on. So US and a Canada government cryptographic module certification of compliance with the FIPS 140-2 data protection standard. So it will protect your data from hackers, from malware. And also you can enable the USG. So USG is nothing but the Ubuntu security guide. So enabling the USG will activate the protection as per the Ubuntu security guide. So the Ubuntu security guide has some guidelines to strengthen your system, harden your system. So all those guidelines will be applied to your system, but it is not working, at least in my laptop. Maybe it will only work maybe in the corporate subscribers. It is not working for the free subscribers. At least it is not working on my system. You can try to enable the USG, and if it is working, please let me know in the comments of this video, because whenever I enable this, after the restart, it is again disabled. So right now it is enabled, but after some time, if I restart, it will again be disabled. So you can try it out and let me know. So this is a fantastic opportunity to keep your system secured, hardened, and supported up to the year 2032. So if you are doing some critical work, like you are working in corporate sector, or you are a creator, video creator, or any kind of creative person, and you want your system to be super stable, and you want to use the same system for many years together, then you should go with the Ubuntu Pro subscription. So this is one of the fantastic service offered by Ubuntu for all the users, free as well as the paid or subscribed users or corporate users. So with this, I will stop the video here. See you in the next video. Bye bye.